Hello my lovelies, how you all doing? I hope you're keeping well and staying crafty. Right, today I've got some happy mail. I've just cut the bag open but I haven't peeked inside. This has come from across the pond, but I didn't even look at the customs label, so I don't know what's in it. I have no clue, but this is from the lovely Mary West, who is Ed and Me and the Cat Makes Three on YouTube. I don't think she does videos. And on Instagram, I can't remember, Miss Marvel. I can't remember what. Oh, sorry, Mary. Can't remember what her Instagram is, but I'll leave them both in the description box if you don't know her. So a few weeks ago, Mary won one of the prizes from my giveaway. When she received them, she said, could she have my address because she'd like to send me a little thank you. That's a bit more than little, Mary. I mean, there's no need to, but thank you so much. It's so kind of you. So I thought we would open it. Let's have a look. I'll just pull them out. As I say, I've not. Oh, first thing I found is a letter, little note. I'm not going to read it out. Oh. Oh, thank you, Mary. It's a nice little note. Oh. Look at this. Looky. Wow. Eyelash trim. Oh, my favourite. Love it. I was actually fumbling through my eyelash trims last night for a project, but it didn't work. It wasn't the right thing for my project. Oh, that's nice. That's like, I don't know, it's a stretchy yarn. Thank you, Mary. Oh, look at that one. That one's got little bubbles on it as well. Some white. Lots of you, I think, know that I always say I don't like white, but I also say in my crafting, when it comes to anybody else's crafting, or if I receive anything that's white, that doesn't bother me. It's white in my crafting. So we've got some nice, although I'm trying to brave up and put my big girl pants on and be a big girl about it. So I do try and incorporate it now and again. But this, I will, that will get used. It's beautiful. Look at that one. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you, Mary. Goodness me, I'm a lucky bunny. Oh, some laces. These little bags as well. Oh, look at that. How pretty is that? Wow. That is gorgeous. There's loads of it. Thank you ever so much, Mary. If you don't know Mary, pop across to her Instagram. Pop across to her Instagram and have a look at her work on there, because she does some beautiful work. And I was actually following you, Mary, and I didn't realise until you mentioned it. I think we follow that many people, and because your name on there, well, I know it says your name, but I hadn't remembered that bit, but because your username, if you like, is different, I didn't register with me that it was you, so sorry about that. Oh, look at this one. Pretty. Oh, pretty. Oh, look. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love it. Oh, look. Oh, Mary sent me a rainbow. Thank you so much. Oh, I've really got my creative mind on at the moment. Oh, Mary. Oh, wow. Look at these. Oh, look. Oh, I need to make some. I have made like dangle things, and I'm going to say I haven't made any with the wire wrapped round, but they have. I can't have done, because if anybody knows me, you'll know that I couldn't just make 1 or 10. It would have to be like 100, and I haven't got 100. So we're going to say I haven't made any like this, but I have made, you know, bits of dangles and stuff. That is lovely. Oh my goodness. Wow. I've got the wire. I've obviously got eyelash yarn. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. I do struggle with using jewellery making stuff, pliers and all that. I always struggle. I'm like, I'm a bit cack-handed with jewellery making things. That's beautiful. Oh, good. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's got a little owl on. Oh, these are beautiful, Mary. Thank you, you clever lady. What have you used for? Can't work out. They're really hard. I know some people use straws. I don't think you've used straws as the middle. I don't know. You'll have to let me know. No, you've not used straws. And I can't see any glue anywhere. They're very, very nice. Thank you so much. Oh, they're just exquisite. Look. Wow. Oh, that one had got, sorry, that one had got a little sparkly butterfly on. Am I actually even showing you properly? I'm that engrossed. I'm not even looking through the camera. Oh, little cat. Oh, they're beautiful. Wow. So they've all got like the end caps on. Well, that one's got beads. Oh, that one's, oh, okay. So I've just noticed these like end caps. I've got loads of bits of jewellery making stuff and the findings and that. Oh, God. Wow. Oh, Mary, you'll have to let me know how you made these. Did you follow somebody's tutorial? They're fantastic. That one's got a little birdie look. Thank you ever so much for sharing these with me. Oh, now that one's got some, that's a paper bead. I don't know what that is. It's really nice and shiny, but it looks like it's got bits in it as well. A little elephant. Oh, this might be a long video. Oh, a little hare. Wow. Oh, look. Oh, fantastic. Thank you ever so much, Mary. So kind of you. Oh, look at those dream catchers. Wow. Catch your dream, be brave. They're nice. Oh, thank you. Thank you ever so much. Goodness me, you said a little thank you. I thought you was going to send a card or something. Good grief. Oh, look. A little note with big thanks. Oh, we'll obviously be sharing all this with Mr. Doodle. May your day be filled with good things. Oh, thank you. Oh, crikey, Mary. Stickers. Oh, so these are pop-up stickers. Wow. Cherish the little things. Happy. Oh, I've got the light on. And I wasn't looking. I hope you can see properly. Cherish the simple things, I cherish you. How lovely are they? Thank you, Mary. Oh, look, more stickers. Oh, Mr. Doodle will be having his eye on some of these. Oh, they're beautiful. Can you see? I don't know. There we go. Thank you ever so much. Crikey, there's still loads. Right, let's have a look. So we've got a big bag full of stuff here. If I can get in it. There we go. Sorry for the crinkling. Oh, bless you, Mary. Right. Oh, that's so kind of you. It's a good job I said I was just going to share with Mr. Doodle. Here's a special treat for Mr. Doodle. Oh. Right, I'm going to... Oh, he's downstairs. Now, I'll show you that in a... Right, I'm going to leave that. I'm going to leave that little lot. Oh no, okay, right. I don't know whether you mean the whole bag full for Mr. Doodle. Let me look. Doesn't say on there. I'll show you this anyway, and then I'll show you that other one later. Oh, goodness. Oh, look at these. Mr. Doodle's not having these. No, I've just... There's an ATC in there for him anyway, looking at it. Right. Oh, look at this. Oh, I think I may recognise that flower. They're lovely, Mary. Look. This is lovely. Today is full of possibilities. Did I send you that, Mary? I can't remember. It's like some of the ones I make, but I'm wanting to say that isn't one. I thought it was to start with. I don't know. I think you've done that one. Look, a little Tim Holtz lady. Oh, glitter glue there. It looks like you've done that through a stencil. Today is full of possibilities. Flower lady, one of two, Mary West. Wow, thank you. Oh, look at this. Oh, now we've got some security envelopes there in the background. Some floral paper, a little birdie on some book page. Be amazed. I am amazed at the amount of things you've sent. Goodness me, thank you. They're gorgeous. Oh, we've got some painty papers, look. Beautiful. Wow. Look at these. Oh, fantastic. Oh, I'm such a lucky girl. We're such lucky people. And she's done that on the back of a scrapbook paper. Look at that. I love it. Isn't it funny how we always rave over other people's, you know, jelly prints and arty work? Oh, it's lovely. I love them. Thank you ever so much. Wow. Ooh. Oh, it's like Christmas and birthday all rolled in together. For the next 10 years. Oh, look. Wow. Wowzers. Wowzers, wowzers. Oh, I love all the colours. Oh, you all know by now, I think, that I love all colours. I don't have a favourite colour. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, now then, we've come to some napkins. And what did you say? Is it Wisconsin? Wisconsin Badger napkin is from your state. Wow. Cool. That's pretty cool, that. Some butterflies. Oh, lovely. What's that one? Yeah. Look. Beautiful. Mary, thank you ever so much. Thank you ever so much. And, right. Sorry, Mary. I'm going to... So that it's all on one video, I'm opening this that you've wrapped up for Mr. Doodle. Oh wow, look at this. So we've got astronaut stamps. You are out of this world. Hope your birthday is mission control. We have a birthday. That's brilliant. And then look. Oh, I love this. Look. That is... oh, I can't think. It says beast. What am I thinking of? Oh... It's like Bigfoot, isn't it? Bigfoot on the Hendersons. I don't know whether that's what it's from. I don't know. It just says beast. That is fantastic. Oh, I love it. I love that so much. But we'll pretend I've not seen that, eh? And we'll wrap that back up. Nobody say anything. Shh. I'm a naughty girl. There we go. I'll wrap that back up like that. He'll never know, will he? He might do if he's come upstairs and he's listening to me. I don't know. Shh. Anyway, thank you ever so much for the small... Thank you. Goodness me. I can't believe you've sent all these things, Mary. You are very, very kind. And I appreciate it so much. And I need to make some of these at some point because they are exquisite. And please, if you watch this, will you let me know if you followed a particular person, because that's really sturdy. Yeah, so I'm a bit blown away with all this. I'm super excited. So thank you very much. What a lovely start to the week, eh? So take care, everyone, and thanks again, Mary. And please, if you don't know Mary, pop across to her Instagram and have a look at her things on there. So thank you. Take care. Bye.